Time Nature Show, Sleepy Time Nature Show with me. I'm Amanda. Come on, let's go find some nature. Hi, and welcome to Sleepy Time Nature Show. Today I want to show you a deer. It is a mule deer. It's resting under this tree in the shade. It is a pretty hot spring day. The deer is aware of us now and is no longer comfortable hanging out. It's thinking about moving on. Ooh, look, there's two of them. These mule deer live to be about 10 years old in the wild, and they always trust their nose. Their eyes and ears will deceive them, but if they smell something awry, they run. And a little better view of the deer now that they've moved into sunlight. They look like two does. That's it for today's show. Thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.